Did you know that bruxism or teeth grinding may worsen during menopause? Hormonal changes, especially estrogen reduction, are primarily responsible. This causes inflammation and discomfort in the jaw. In this video, I'll tell you why it happens. What are your symptoms and some effective solutions? Estrogens that are essential in the female body decrease in menopause. This fall can negatively impact muscles and joints, causing jaw discomfort. When estrogen levels drop, you may feel more jaw pain. Stress, anxiety, and lack of sleep are also important factors. Worries and insomnia, frequent during menopause, can cause you to grit your teeth when you sleep. This is called Let's talk about the symptoms of bruxism. You may feel pain or tension in your jaw. You are also likely to brush your teeth while you sleep. In addition, you may hear clicks when you open your mouth, affecting the TM hatchon. Other symptoms include headache, facial discomfort, and chewing difficulties. We have scientific evidence to support this. Research indicates that postmenopausal women report more jaw pain compared to young women. Also, it has been observed that the lack of estrogens can damage the jaw. Although there is debate, some studies suggest that hormonal fluctuation influences joint pain. Let's look at some options to alleviate bruxism. Using a night protector can help prevent tooth brushing. You can also practice relaxation exercises and apply hot or cold compresses to relieve tension. Managing stress and sleeping well are key, as a good rest reduces bruxism. Think of a soft diet if you are experiencing pain. Soft foods facilitate chewing. And do not hesitate to visit a dentist, or they may suggest splints, physiotherapy, or even Botox injections, depending on what you need. In short, bruxism can occur due to stress, lack of estrogens, and trouble sleeping. Strategies such as using a dental protector, relaxing, and improving your sleep can be of great help. If you have jaw pain or discomfort, consult a specialist. If you want to know more about or you need guidance to relieve pain, let me know. I am here to assist you.